If you want to cut object and see inside that, you can go to the tools and cutting plane. If you active, you can see with this translate, you can see inside and cutting object. You can see it. You can use a keyboard arrow for moving slightly and slowly, something like that. And you can invert that this side, that side. You can choose translation speed or percentage of this movement. Footprint is create a cross section. This you can see you can generate. You can see create a cutting object from this side. Very simple. You can move it. You can see it just create a cross section that separate object if you need, and you can change the thickness of the edge of that. You can align camera in this part. So we have axis of that in the y-axis. If you want, you can invert it, and with that we can move it. It just create a cross section of here to footprint. You can align to the camera axis, but we are inverted. You can see if you move it, it's better to see inside of your object. Or custom axis, you can do any axis that you want, and you can turn it off.